i20 petrol maintenance cost. First service at 10,000 km, engine oil rupees 1159, oil filter rupees 75, total cost 1234. Second service at 20,000 km, engine oil rupees 1159, oil filter rupees 75, air filter rupees 233, air conditioning filter rupees 290, total charge rupees 1757. Third service at 30,000 km, engine oil rupees 1159, oil filter rupees 75, brake oil rupees 191, service charge rupees 2220, total charge rupees 3645. Fourth service at 40,000 km, engine oil rupees 1159, oil filter rupees 75, air filter rupees 233, air conditioning filter rupees 290, service charge rupees 2220, total charge rupees 3977. Fifth service at 50,000 km, engine oil rupees 1159, oil filter rupees 75, coolant rupees 463, service charge rupees 2220, total charge rupees 3917. Approximate service cost for Hyundai i20 petrol from first to fifth service rupees 14,530.